Look how nice the fucking motor is. Yeah. The fucking motor on that thing cleaned up great. It was the only picture I have of it before. You can tell how dingy and shitty it looked. Yeah. Then look at the base of the motor and everything afterwards, and the blade badge and shit. You can't even tell the blade badge is silver or turquoise at all. No. It's so fucking dirty you can't even see it. This was a funny one. In the McDonald's drive-thru, we towed a fucking totaled S10 home for the motor. We had Andrew ride in the S10 and order his food separately on the fucking tow dolly. Me and Andrew went and bought a totaled S10 for a motor for his truck, and we had him sit in the totaled S10 to go through the drive-thru.
People went, what?
The chick at the window looks back, she's like, wait, what? Did you guys order separate? Like, yeah. I pulled up and just stopped. I had to look back and stop the S10 right at the window. There was some dude in the back of the drive-thru with his phone out the window recording it and shit as he's fucking paying for the food out the window of the S10.
Hey, Christian, can you come here real quick? Trim things down on it.
Do you follow Spencer? Do you follow Spencer on Instagram?
That's good.
The one that lives in Detroit.
I don't know if I'm just going to turn it on more than...
He found another Justice Derby.
Oh, I know about that. Is this for
No, he was
sale?
just out
Oh, he just spotted it.
driving his and he spotted another one.
I thought you meant he bought another one.
He bought another one?
No, he just spotted one.
Oh.
I was like, damn.
I was just trying to see what this
Spencer finds some of the coolest cars. It's gonna be a long video again.
You know that fucking Windsor that you got for me?
Uh-huh.
This is before pictures of that fan.
Oh, dang.
Before I worked on it.
I still have that, and I use it a lot in the summertime.
And my Jacobson too.
Nice.
Here's the gave definition of firebox. Westinghouse.
Firebox.
Zero to roller switch. Nothing. No, that's an old one.
Long coast.
I got a couple like that. House burner. Yeah. Well, that's all electronic here, right? There's no freaking... Oh, I know. Safety switches on. I know. Most of the old ones don't.
If the house burns down, it burns down.
Yeah, they call them house burner.
God, this has a long coast.
Yeah, that was one of the rides we fucking went on.
Nice.
Little backcountry road. I know you remember that. That was race day. That was a good day. That was a good ass ride.
There was 5 of us on lawnmowers.
Yep. That was a good ass ride. 2 of the lawnmowers
yeah,
got 2 of the
Jordan
lawnmowers
was
didn't
like-
make it home. 2 of the lawnmowers got towed for like the last 3 or 4 miles. Yours got towed for like 4 miles. Mine got towed for like 2.
Dylan broke his first.
Oh yeah, we did a race. I have a video of the race too. He blew his main seal out in this race.